Hi, my name's Marija and I'm an associate here at 𝗵𝗫𝗄𝗧. This is part 2 of a guide on scoping assessments under DORA. Step 2 involves considering whether you're a financial entity under the regulation. To do this assessment, you'll need to look at Article 2.1, which lists around 20 different entity types. One point to note is that the definition of financial entity isn't within Article 3, along with most of the other definitions in DORA. Instead, you'll need to look at Article 2.2, which clarifies that all the entities listed in 2.1, apart from the final subparagraph, are considered financial entities. So it's Articles 2.1, subparagraphs A to T, which are relevant here. Now, by looking at this list, which is very extensive and broad, you might be able to quickly spot the category or type of entity you could fall into, and it can be easy to dismiss others which don't immediately seem relevant. A couple of practical points here. When reviewing the list in 2.1, think about all the entities within the business. In particular, is one or more of the subsidiaries caught? And remember, it's not just entities based in the EU. Secondly, does your business or any part of the wider group hold any sort of authorization under national rules? If yes, this may point towards it being a financial entity. For example, if you're an authorized financial investment advisor under MiFID II, this might point towards you being considered an investment firm under DORA, which is one of the specific categories listed in 2.1. Lastly, it's important to check the definitions of each type of entity listed in 2.1 in order to be certain that you aren't caught. Note that some of these definitions are not set out in full in Article 3, but cross-refer to different EU regulations and directives, and so you'll need to consult these for your full assessment. This might require you to go through a separate and often complex analysis under the relevant regulation or directive, and it may also require you to have certain financial and other information to hand. So think about which other teams you might need input from within the business or wider group. That's the end of Step 2. The next episode will cover ICT third-party service providers.